Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about these speakers. These speakers are priced at $349 and the review seems really good. And it's currently on sales right now. So if you, right now you add this to the cart, it's gonna show you $128, which is cheap. Let's see, add to cart. All right, so you can see right here, it's 128.56, right? So this one is currently selling on Amazon the same price, $349 right here, and the review on here is like 5 out of 5. So here we can see some. Click on the picture and you see it. The design looks like, looks like a, I don't know, like a bag or a purse that we carry. It has a handle, but it's made out of, looks really like, I don't know, titanium or some kind of metal. And over here looks like some really nice fancy glass. And it has a subwoofer in the bottom. And just overall, it's not bad of a design, but it looks kind of funny, weird if you were to take this, around. It looks like you're carrying a purse. It's not like a manly thing, but I think that I've listened on YouTube for a couple videos, and the sounds really amazing, and I'm tempted whether I should buy these or not for $128. As you can see, this is Amazon, $349, not even on sale, and at their website they're having a major discount. Okay, another speaker that is comparable to is the JBL. And JBL is really known for its speakers already. And this one right here, this is Extreme 3, and it's going at $379. So if the price is out on sale, people probably go with JBL. But actually, it's the fact that it's on sale, and Harman's actually owns JBL, so it's like almost identical company. So if this is the price, if you guys want to buy this speaker right here, I'll list it in the description for you guys. But I think for $128, I think this is a bargain, guys. So again, I'm not sponsored by this company. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I just see this amazing deal that is making me tempting to buy one. So I might buy it, I might not, but I just want to bring the deals to you guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys like the video, like the savings, make sure you give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.